Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. He gave his farm to Slick Slam Sam, E-I-E-I-O. Holy cannoli, I almost missed breakfast. Howdy, my precious. Ah, great, a portion of tasty fresh milk. And a fresh egg omelette. What could be better?
And I would make an apple pie.
What? Who said that? Where? Whoa! I'm fine. No, don't touch me!
Sorry, Sammy. It was a friendly prank. There you go.
Before breakfast? What's wrong with you?
I just can't wait to play with our new playbook. Keep it up.
Food or playbook or food? Sue, wait up!
Hi, friends. Are you ready to hang out with Amanda the Adventurer and Wooly?
I'm definitely ready. The map is there. On the backpack, on the backpack.
Oh, Sammy. All we need is to select a videotape.
Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. We should have eaten first.
To the kitchen, then. Hi, I'm Amanda. And I'm Wooly. Today we're going to make an apple pie.
Wait a minute, Sue. I thought I'd play for Wooly and you for Amanda.
And I got a better idea.
Wow! This is lit!
To bake our pie, we first need to cut the apples. Where can they be? Maybe in the fridge. Oh, we'll need these too. Let's see here. Butter. I'm taking it. But where are the apples?
Look in the cabinet under the sink, Amanda.
All right. Bingo! Here are the most delicious apples. We store sugar here. Now we have all the ingredients.
Let's go, Wooly. We need to preheat the oven.
In the meantime, I'll work on the stuffing. First, cut the apples into small pieces. Now we'll add a few tablespoons of sugar. May our pie be sweet. Let's mix everything well. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Now we can prepare the dough. There is nothing complicated here. The main thing is to follow the recipe. Never be afraid to get your hands dirty. The dough needs to be worked up really good. A proper apple pie should be round and also beautiful and delicious. Let's put everything together. So beautiful!
Hello. Didn't you get carried away just a smudge?
Oops! So, the oven is preheated, the baking pan is filled. Let's bake our pie!
I love the delicious aroma of baked apples.
Oh, the ding sounded tasty! And what is your favorite pie, friends?
What if you mix several fruits in a pie at once? Hey!
Aha! Well, we won't know it until we try it. And we've got… What? A videotape? Sammy, is this your prank again? Aha! This cassette used to be here. Well, then it's a sign that it's time for us to move on.
Is it an amusement park?
Yep, and here we have a stand with goodies. But I'm already full with that pie.
I am not.
Hey, you got 5! And what is stored behind this number? Wow, it's an ice cream for Sammy!
Yummy! Wooly throws next.
I got 2 and 2. It's 4 in total. Let's see. Oh, and there is no 4.
There you go. Slam Sam is unbeatable.
There was no need to brag. We'll count these as your second move.
Oh, well.
This time, Sammy gets… Whoa! What a mysterious jar!
What kind of secret jars are these? It doesn't even want to open. And then a serious struggle began between Wooly and me. I had to win that game. But I kept failing again and again. I guess good luck was not on my side.
Sammy, pass. There is no 11 on the board. Go, Wooly! Go, Wooly!
Oh, what a tough days today. And why do I need so many jars? Hey, wait a minute. Where did Wooly go?
We can find that out if we go back to the videotape room. Come on!
Yeah, let's hurry up. Oh, I almost forgot. Paper Sam, you're going too. Well. We already were in a park, and the kitchen too. Secret? Those jars were secret too. So...
Well done, detective. Let's see what kind of secret this is. Oh!
Whoa! Oh, my feta. It's 3 doors. Which one should we choose?
No panic. Look, there is no lock on this door. Oh, I'm so nervous. Wooly, are you there? No, just a hospital and an arrow. But this door is locked. It looks like we need a code.
Oh, please. It's clear that Wooly's in the hospital. We need to get to him.
Hold your horses. These doors are here for a reason. It must be a hint or something.
Yes, you are right. Let's think. We need a 3-letter code. Oh, try my name.
Okay, so S-A-M. Come on. Oh, no, it clearly didn't work.
Well, the name Amanda is too long. Let's try Sue now.
It doesn't work either.
Well, then I only have one option left. The name of our channel.
Bravo, Sammy! Well done! And now, apparently, to help our Wooly, we have got to get some flashlights. I think I know what it is.
No more delays. Get to work, Amanda. I mean, Sue.
It looks like Wooly ate too many sweets. The cure apparently is behind the 3rd door. But what's the code?
Here it is. Look, it's written right here.
3, 5, 1. Let's check. Yes, the door opened. 3 jars again.
Just like the ones I won in the park. So they store water and vegetables.
Grab them and let's go. And here's our poor Wooly. Oh, you little sweet tooth.
Don't you worry. Dr. Sam and Nurse Amanda know how to help. First, let's take an X-ray. What do you say, colleague?
It is necessary to replace bad food in his stomach with the good food. Let's get started. Don't worry, friends. No squishy was harmed during filming.
There's clearly too many sweets here. We need tweezers.
Here we go. A donut. And this is cotton candy. And this sweet thing too. Whoa!
What is it? Ouch!
And this is... it's so Wooly could talk. And last but not least, we did it! And now let's fill his belly with vitamins. Here goes the first one.
Carrots are good for eyesight. And, of course, we also need water.
So, are we ready for stitches? Hop, hop, hop. All right, Wooly, it's time to come to your senses. Hop. Haha! Wonderful!
Hooray! Buddy, you're okay! Oh, I missed you so much! Oh, Susie, that's so touching!
There. We still have 1 game left for today.
Oh, vacation is my favorite!
And today we are going to the beach. Oh, this is amazing! What will you take to your vacation? This is the game with cards.
It seems like a couple or two are missing. Hey, Wooly! What are you doing there?
Look, Wooly found someone's hiding place, and there's a card with a ducky.
Come on! And I found a card with scissors.
Well, the last card is right here, and it's with...
Stop! We're not supposed to look.
Okay, you're right. Let's play fair.
Hey, Sue! I'm gathering everything you've got.
I hope not. These are more for construction site rather than vacation.
Do you mean...
All right, friends. It was the last page.
It's not fair. This can be the end. I'm not ready to say goodbye to Amanda and Wooly.
Well, we can show the crafting part as well.
Yay! Give us a thumbs up and stay tuned. Hi-ho! It's breaking news. Today, hey, Sue, come on!
You can titter and joke around however you want. I'm busy here. It goes in and out. Perfect.
If only you could be less serious. Things would go faster.
Oh, really? Well, challenge accepted. Hello, my friend. Do you want to take a walk? Oh, I'd love to. Oh, and whoosh!
Nah, it's not enough fooling around. You didn't even color the half of the...
If only you weren't so quick to criticize. Bam, bam, bam. Hey, Sammy, where are you?
Don't bother me, Susan. I'm really busy. I create.
There you go. Now I'm the prankster, and he's the most serious of all. Friends, do you like it when our Sam is so serious? Give him a thumbs up if yes. And the third spread of our playbook is done.
Well, it turned out not bad, but that's what I call great.
Wow! I love it! Sammy, you are so talented!
I know.
Now let's deal with the game part. It is not difficult to make it, but still look carefully. Everything looks so delicious! Whoosh!
Next, there is something secret waiting for us. I'd even say mysterious. Ooh!
Let's deal with... What? Is everything ready here? Look, these are our players!
I did all this. Or rather, my magic clock did. I am capable of so much more.
We all know that, Sammy. By the way, candy can be dangerous not just for your stomach, but also your teeth. So, be careful.
Come on! Dangerous? It's a sweet thing on a stick. Whoa! It just... Poof. Oh.
See? Sweets can be dangerous. We'll seal the hole with duct tape and move on to the finish line.
Would you just look at this? What a mess! Outrageous! They threw garbage around here, and I should clean it up. Those crafters!
Easy, easy! What are you doing? We haven't finished filming yet.
Really? Oh, holy mop! Okay, I'm out of here. Consider me gone.
The corners are saved. They will hold the playing cards. Oh, one is still missing. But it's not hard to make. Just a few folds here and there, and it's done.
What are you doing here, Susan? I've already prepared everything. Look!
Oh, wow! Sammy, you're so fast! Then let's just put it all together. And... oh, that's not it. I need... oh, I'm sorry, Sammy. Here's what I need. Whoop! And we're done. Friends, do you want to take another look at our playbook? Then let's go! That's it for today. Give us a thumbs up if you like crafting with us, and don't forget to subscribe.
We love you so much that we are already preparing a new cool video. Bye-bye, everyone!